Eric Thomason with Blue Nail Enterprises here, your home improvement experts. And we are super excited to share with you guys this new vinyl window that we actually hand researched and found a company that makes this window right here in the USA. And we love this window for several reasons. Number one, it's made right here. Number two is it has all the features and components that you need and would love in a vinyl window. It's going to block out sound. It's going to help with energy. And it's going to be beautiful when you replace those old worn out windows you have. One of the best features we like is that it is virgin vinyl. This vinyl is virgin vinyl, meaning it's the only shape it's ever been in. We love to recycle, although recycled vinyl has a tendency to snap back into its original shape. So if it was a Coke bottle, it wants to go back into the shape of a Coke bottle. So that's what we like about virgin vinyl windows, the only shape they've ever been in. That allows for a stronger integrity and a longer lasting window. Everything about this window is made with you in mind. Easy operation, easy latch operation. Constant force balance makes it super easy to operate. As you can see right here, a tilt down sash, 16 points of weather strip all along all the contact points. So this window is sealed up and made just for you. So call us today at 469-726-2176 or check us out on the web at bluenailroofing.com and set your appointment for new windows today.